Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to keyboard and mouse. First, let's get you set up comfortably. Begin by connecting your keyboard and mouse to your computer's USB ports. Next, ensure your workspace is ergonomic. Your arms and wrists should be relaxed and supported. Adjust your chair so your feet are flat on the floor and your elbows form a 90-degree angle. This foundational setup is crucial for long-term comfort and efficiency, making your experience much more enjoyable from the start. Now, let's dive into keyboard basics. Position your left hand with your index finger on the F key and your right hand with your index finger on the J key. These are your home row anchors. Your thumbs are for the space bar, and your pinky fingers handle keys like Shift and Enter. Consistent practice, even for just 10 minutes daily, will build muscle memory. Soon, you will be typing efficiently without needing to glance at the keys, significantly boosting your speed. Moving on to mouse control, a proper grip is key. Hold the mouse gently with your thumb on one side and your ring and pinky fingers on the other, letting your palm rest comfortably. Your index finger is for the left click, and your middle finger handles the right click. Experiment with your mouse's sensitivity settings. A lower setting offers more precision, while a higher one allows faster movement. Finding your ideal setting will greatly enhance your navigation and interaction. To truly master your keyboard and mouse, let's explore some advanced tips. Embrace keyboard shortcuts. For example, Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste can save you countless clicks. Many mice also allow you to customize buttons for specific tasks, streamlining your workflow. Remember, consistent practice is paramount. Even a short 15-minute session each day will dramatically improve your speed and accuracy, making you a highly proficient user in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.